Hey everyone, my name is Timothy Genoble, and this is my Module 2 application reflection for my Introduction to Instructional Technologies. The first question I'll be answering, describe a recent situation where you installed or updated an app. Did you have any problems through the installation process, and what did you do to fix the problem? For college, I actually went and I bought a new all-in-one HP computer. The laptop I had it was 6 years old, and I wanted something that I knew could keep up to date and run efficiently. I had to update it, of course, because it sat in a box. So I had to install all the apps that I would need, all my Microsoft, the apps that I used on a regular basis, and I didn't have any issues there. Pretty familiar with downloading apps, installing apps, whether it be mobile or on a computer. I use them a lot at work as well. Um, Second question, have you ever created a PDF before? Discuss an experience in downloading the Cute PDF writer or using Chrome, and what do you think about the process of making one? Lastly, it'll be describe ways you think PDF files can be used for you as a future educator. I have created PDFs and used them before. Um, I think it's very simple. I use Chrome myself, um, so I didn't download the Cute PDF writer. As far as for on an educational level, I mean, PDFs are the most popular format among most teachers because it costs nothing to make. Um, as teachers, I mean, they put a lot of money into their classroom anyway. So if it is free, and that really helps them out too. They're also very universal, um, meaning that files can appear the same to anyone, no matter what platform they're running on, and that is very useful to teachers. Um, and they can't be manipulated. So if they do want to send out, tests or anything like that, they can't be messed with. Um, The last question, have you ever used your webcam to record yourself and uploaded the video to the internet? Did you have any challenges in getting the video recorded, uploaded, and pasted to the LMS? And describe ways you think video recordings can be useful for you as a future teacher in the education environment. I have not ever used a webcam. I'm not really a Facebook Live person. I'm not really comfortable with that, but Um, either way, I did not have any issues uploading the video. As far as different ways that video recordings can help in a classroom, or like for me as an educator, there are so many ways, whether it be notes that they want to make on a PDF, whether it be a test that they want to send and they can put in their, selections, and it locks as they go down in the test, or where they can't go back and change anything. For example, just did like last week, I subbed for the music teacher for our first and second grade students, and she actually had recorded a video of her doing the song. We were doing a president song, and she recorded a video of her singing it and going down the president wall as she went along, and we were able to use that all week. So, I mean, that's just one way. If a sub shouldn't be there, they could use that video to leave something for them, like she did me, for the kids that I worked with over the last week. Or, if a student's absent, they could record themselves for what they'd missed, and that could be really useful. Maybe somewhere down the road, it could be used with communicating with parents. I know that there's a lot of parents that are busy or can't make it to the parent-teacher conferences or whatever. Maybe there would be a way that they could do a video interaction or something to where they could let them know how their kid was doing. But I don't know if that may be somewhere down the road.